Hello, and welcome to Channel Official All Quotes, where we look after your health after 55 plus, with kindness, clarity, and trust. I'm Dr. Maria, and today we're going to talk about something very important. Foods you must avoid after 60 if you want a healthy heart and good joint health. As we age, our bodies change. Our knees, hips, heart, even our joints in fingers and toes can protest. Some foods make that protest louder. Others quietly help soothe and protect. So in this video, I'll guide you through which foods tend to silently damage aging bodies, especially heart and joint health, and what you can eat instead to feel better, move easier, and protect your body over time.